Connective tissue is a fundamental biological structure that develops from the mesoderm layer during embryonic development. The most distinctive feature of connective tissue is that its cells are widely separated from each other by an intercellular substance called the matrix. The matrix consists of two main components, the ground substance and various types of fibers. This intercellular material is secreted by immature connective tissue cells called fibroblasts, osteoblasts, and chondroblasts. Once the matrix is formed, these immature cells differentiate into mature cells with names ending in "-cyte", such as osteocytes and chondrocytes. Connective tissue contains several specialized cell types. Fibroblasts are large, spindle-shaped immature cells with branching processes that secrete the ground substance and fibers. Macrophages are irregularly shaped cells derived from monocytes that have strong phagocytic capacity, providing the body with an essential defense mechanism. Plasma cells develop from B lymphocytes and are small, round cells that produce antibodies for immune defense. Mast cells are also small, rounded cells that synthesize and store histamine in granular form. When released during tissue injury, histamine causes vasodilation, while heparin in mast cells acts as an anticoagulant. Fat cells, also called adipose cells, are specialized to store fat as the body's reserve food. They can be found singly or in groups. Leukocytes, or white blood cells including lymphocytes, neutrophils, monocytes, and eosinophils, migrate from blood and lymph to loose connective tissue depending on the body's physiological conditions. In summary, connective tissue provides structural support, defense mechanisms through immune cells, nutrient storage via fat cells, and essential matrix components that maintain tissue integrity. The diverse cell types work together to support overall body function and respond to physiological needs.